How to check birthday on Snapchat. So, the first step is that you should open your Snapchat app and then click on your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you have done that, click on the settings button found on the upper right corner of the screen and look for the My Account section. Under the My Account section, you may be able to see the third option, which is birthday. Click on it, and then right here, you may be able to see your set birthday right here. You may change your birthday by clicking on this date right here, and then change the month, the day, and then the year of your birthday. You may also turn on birthday party if you want to add a cake next to your name, display a special birthday charm, and etc. You may also turn on your astrological birthday. So you may also choose which state that you are in. So that's it. That's how you can check birthday on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.